To create divisional shutters, select the shutter that you want to customize and go into the shutter menu here, and under shutter design, select type as profile, and here you will get the option of horizontal shutter division or vertical shutter division. So you can select as per your requirement. I have selected horizontal divisional shutter, and as you can see that there is one horizontal division that has now been created. Suppose if you want more horizontal divisions, then you can go into the same again and add another horizontal division, in which case there will be 3 divisions that will be created. Now you can select each of these panels and go into the panel menu here to make any changes under the materials tab. You can go into the warehouse by clicking on fetch from store, and herein you can select any of the finishes that you want. So if I am selecting American maple here, then the material will get revised. You can also repeat the same steps to go into shutter design, profile and add vertical divisions, in which case vertical division will be added in between the shutter, and you can add different materials to each of the vertical divisions that you have. Each of the divisions that are created will be treated as a different panel, and you can also add mirrors to any of them. So suppose if I would select this particular panel, I can go into the panel option and go into construction and add a front mirror here. So a mirror will be added in this particular panel only. Then I can select the same, go into mirror, extension parameters, wherein I can make this 0. So now this is a complete mirror that has been added here. You can also allocate different shutter designs for each of them by going into the panel and going into the shutter option, where you can go into normal, and herein you can allocate any shutter design that you want for that particular panel alone. After adding a division in between the shutter, you can also select the shutter and go into shutter systems, wherein you can go into construction and you will see a profile option here called shutter profiles. And when you open the same, you have an option of divisional profile. So when you add a divisional profile, let's say I am adding a wardrobe non-handle profile here of profile 1. So you can see that the profile has been added in between. So you can also create profiles in between the division in this way. To remove the same, you can again go into divisional profile and remove 3D model, or if you want to change it, you can go into change 3D model, which opens the carousel again. Similarly, you can again go into the panel, and by going into customize, you can remove the divisional shutter panel also to make it a single panel again.